I'm Ruchita from Ruchita Cage and Photography, and today I'm going to show you how to photograph your toddler in an astronaut themed photo. So all you need is the baby to be dressed in a romper or a onesie, a small soft toy or a teddy bear. I've used a bunny, and you need 10 to 12 stars. You need a black color cloth or a background. As you see, I've already laid it on the bed before the baby's sleep time. Now, how do I light my subject? Firstly, open the curtains and switch off all the lights of that room. We don't want additional lights to create additional shadows on the baby's face. Now let's start propping up the bed. You also need 2 plates. I'm placing the bunny first. I'm making the ears upside so that it looks like gravitation is against. I'm gonna very quietly keep the plate under Vanraj's head. So usually he sleeps in the afternoon from 2 to 4. And I planned this shot according to his nap time. I made him wear his outfit from before. So ideally he's supposed to be looking towards the bunny, but I'm not going to disturb him right now. I'm going to first lay my setup, put the stars. So here we see we've already placed all the stars. And now I'm going to take my iPhone and go to the photo mode, and I'm going to click it horizontally. I clicked on safety photo, and now I'm going to turn Vanraj's face towards the bunny. Once he's settled, I'm going to grab my phone again and click a couple of more photos. I'm going up on my toggle and making sure the camera is not tilted towards me. It's straight upon baby's face, and the baby is on the right hand side of the frame and the bunny on the left hand side, or whatever software you're using. So that's the photo. Now I just wanted to click one more photo of the bunny next to Vanraj. Since we already have the setup ready, I'm just gonna take additional shot. I just feel it's cute when babies are next to their favorite soft toys. And here is the final image. Now to show the connection between the rocket ship and the astronaut, I have drawn these lines, but you can actually use white color rope to show that the astronaut is connected to a rocket ship. There's a second photo. So guys, I hope you liked this small little video I made for you guys. I hope you are inspired looking at it. Would want to hear from you how you like it and would want to make more such videos for you.